Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have showed you all my top 5 favorite nude lipsticks. Now they range from mattes to semi-mattes to cream lipsticks as well. What's surprising is that there are 2 Nykaa lipsticks in here. In fact, you will even find that a lot of the shades are very similar to each other, and if you can find, there is a dupe. I have used the high-end version of it and I have used a dupe in this video because both of them I absolutely love. So if you can find out which those 2 lipsticks are, then definitely do comment in the comment section below and let's see if you are right. So basically I haven't chit-chatted in this video at all. I have just literally swatched the lipsticks and then showed you the swatches on myself and how they look on me. I have mentioned the names of all of the lipsticks in the video itself, and I have also mentioned the names and the prices and where I bought every lipstick from in the description box below. If you guys want to check that out, then you'll need to check the description box. So let's get right into the video. As always, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. Definitely hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video from me. And do follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of mini tutorials and skincare tips and tricks and things like that on there. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, surely do follow me on Instagram. Let's start.